Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a power-packed comparison that's a lot of you have been asking for. Cloud AI versus GitHub Copilot. If you're dividing into code or working with AI to boost productivity in 2025, you're definitely gonna want to hear this full breakdown. Let's start with Claude AI. Built by Anthropic, Claude has come a long way in 2025 with its search gen model. It's designed for safe, smart, and nuanced response, and it absolutely shines when it comes to long form content, understanding context, and even generating clean code with clear explanations. It's ideal for developers who like to ask why something works, not just how to write it. Cloud is excellence if you are handling logic heavy projects, documentation, or even writing and debugging with some back and fronts. Now, over to GitHub Copilot. Built by OpenAI and integrated right into your code editor. It's like having an auto-complete assistant on steroids. In 2025, Copilot X gives you a real-time code suggestion, auto-generates function, write text, and even explains code blocks as you go. It's fast, intuitive, and built directly for developers, especially those working in VS Code or GitHub workflows. For speed and integration and direct coding power, Copilot is seriously hard to beat. So, which one's better? If you want deep explanation, flexible support beyond just a code, and more conversational logic, Cloud AI is your go to go. But if you're strictly coding, want tight IDE integration with fast, smart suggestion, GitHub Copilot is the winner. Alright, guys, hope that cleared things up. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick from for your workflow. And if you're loving these AI matchups, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. More awesome breakdowns coming your way real soon. Thanks for watching.